Hi everyone, this is going to be an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus cover case. So as you can see, this is how it looks. As you can see, it has space so you can put your credit card or ID and some money here on the side. Here we have the spaces for the volume button, the power, and the camera at the back. And at the bottom we have for the speaker, the charging port, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. And then this is the clamp that holds the cover together so it doesn't open. So now let's take a look how it looks with the phone. There you go, this is how it looks. And it has the port for the back, the camera, the flash. There you go. So this is how it looks. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please click the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel so you can get more content. If you have any question, please leave them below. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.